To add USDT to a Phantom wallet. The process is straightforward. First, open the Phantom wallet, either on a computer or through the mobile app, as the steps are identical for both. Initially, USDT will not appear in the wallet unless it is already owned, so it must be purchased first to do this. Navigate to the bottom right corner of the Phantom wallet and click on the globe icon, which directs to the App tab. From there, select the Jupiter option. This will open a new screen where a coin can be swapped for USDT. Choose the coin to swap at the top and USDT as the bottom option. Then select the amount to swap. After clicking the swap option, the transaction will be processed. The next step is to confirm the transaction within the Phantom wallet. Once confirmed, the transaction will be completed, and USDT will be added to the wallet after refreshing the page. This simple process allows for the quick addition of USDT to a Phantom wallet, making it easily accessible for further use.